story family as the background to explain programs. We have the mom and dad and the little kid. And I am going to explain this through two types of events, a negative event and a positive event, because those are the type of events that affect our behavior. As a result of that experience, this is a boy 4, 5, 6 years of age. What is the unconscious of the boy going to do? We talk about the associations, but now you will understand it will create a program. Once the program has been created, it will start directing your behavior. Okay, so now we can finish that exercise that I was telling you about. If you want to bring that list out.